What's up, YouTube? Brian, aka the Gringo here.
Rafael, aka El Piolín.
And we're coming at you again with
The Border Wars.
So it's been a little bit. We've been really busy, so we haven't had a chance to make any videos recently. So we're back at it now. And we've got a good video for you today. You want to explain it?
In Spanish or English?
In Spanish.
Okay, you do it in English, I'll do it in Spanish, okay? It's, vamos a hacer un video, el que tenga más Dr. Pepper gana. La razón por qué él tiene más es porque, por eso, ¿verdad? Y pues sí, no, estoy fresquito. Y pues sí, English.
So what we're going to do is we're going to drink these Dr. Peppers as fast as we can. And because I'm a little bit bigger than he is, I'm going to do 6 and he's going to do 3. And as it stands right now, it's US 0, Mexico 2. So I got to win this one. I got to start catching up. We've got some good videos planned for us in the next couple weeks. So hopefully the USA wins this one. And we'll get back on the board and try to tie this thing up in a couple videos. So again, the challenge is going to be open them up, drink as fast as we can, and whoever finishes first wins. So please like our video, subscribe, and add some comments. We've already gotten some comments from people about some challenges we're going to do. So please continue your feedback. All right?
Wait, should we already open it? Or
no, we have to wait till we start. All right. So are you ready for this?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, wait. I get nervous. Okay.
On your marks, get set, go. We're gonna get diabetes. Don't make me laugh.
Oh my.
Oh my God, he's killing me.
Hey, what the heck?
Oh, it's really hard. You gotta finish. Keep going. Is that cheating if I burp? Yeah. Okay.
I'm sorry, I need some tissues.
Did you finish?
Yes.
Oh, sit down.
Take it, I'm sorry, I need some tissues.
That's really hard, YouTube.
Okay, so.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
I don't know who won. So if you guys can put a comment.
I spilled this because of him.
So if you guys can put a comment, because I don't know who won that one. I mean, we each finished. He finished before me, but I don't know what's going on right here. I don't know if
it's your fault.
I don't know if that's a disqualification, but so we're gonna leave it up